Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Final Cut Pro to export playlists for YouTube premieres, complete guide step by step. To update Final Cut Pro for exporting playlists suitable for YouTube premieres, start by opening the App Store on your Mac. In the App Store, click on the Updates tab located in the sidebar. Look for Final Cut Pro in the list of available updates. If an update is available, click the Update button next to Final Cut Pro. Once the update is finished, open Final Cut Pro. To create a new project, click on File, then select New, followed by Project. Set your project parameters according to your preferences, then click OK. Now, import your video. To create a playlist, go to the File menu, select Share, and then choose Add Destination. In the Share Destinations window, select YouTube from the list. Click the Add button to include it in your sharing options. Customize your YouTube export settings as needed. Make sure to check options specific to premieres, such as Publish as Premiere if available. Once your settings are configured, click Next to proceed. Select the location where you want to save your video file. Finally, click Export to start the rendering process. Once the export is complete, locate the file in Finder. Upload the exported video to your YouTube channel. Schedule your video as a premiere during the upload process. Congratulations, you have successfully updated Final Cut Pro and exported your playlists for YouTube premieres. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.